guys, welcome back to my channel. And today what I'm going to be doing, I thought it would be fun. I've had several people ask me what color nail polish I wear from time to time, and I thought it would be so fun to keep with the Christmas theme and show you my top nail polishes for Christmas. So here's what I really enjoy wearing and I love. I have 8 of them. So let me start with this little wheel here. I hope you can see it. This first one right here, this one is Sinful Colors Sugar Sugar. And it's just this really pretty kind of, it has almost like an iridescence to it. I don't know if it's coming through with this light or not, but you can see it on the nail. It's so pretty. It's this one right here. But here this one is. I just love this. It's so, so pretty. Okay. So that's my first one. Then this one right here is OPI's Malaga Wine. I don't know how to say that actually, but here this is. And that's what I'm wearing right now, but I have a topper on it and I love it. But like I said, it is this one right here. Then, like I have on my nails, here's one of them with the topper on it. I hope you can see it. It seems like it might be a little blurry. And the topper is from China Glaze and it's Resting Grinch Face. I think this is so pretty. It's pretty by itself, or here it is all by itself right here with just one coat because I didn't want to use it all. But it's so pretty. And then here it is as a topper, okay? Then the third one right here, which I really like as well, it's from China Glaze and it is Ho Ho Ho, and it's part of the Grinch that they put out this year. And I think it is adorable. It has kind of like a gold glitter, very fine glitter. It's not hard getting off your finger. It's in here. I don't know if you can see this really well or not. Then the next one is MA-Holo at Me by China Glaze. It's this one. I just have one coat on here. Usually I wear 2 coats, but it's this beautiful blue with other blue like glitter in it. I love it. It is so, so pretty. And then the next one is by China Glaze. It is this one right here, and it just has one coat of it. And it's Deliciously Wicked, and it is by the Grinch as well. But it is so pretty when you put it on. You could wear it as a topper as well, but it just has silver and different iridescent colors that come out in it in that blue. It is gorgeous. Then I have OPI's Alpine Snow, and it is right here, and I always wear it with something over it. I always wear China Glaze's Techno over that, and it is such a pretty, but this is pretty on its own too. So I thought you might enjoy seeing these, and I'll try to take some pictures up close so that you can see them, but they're very pretty and festive colors that you can wear for the holidays. I really do love it. It gives that happy, upbeat feel. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.